You remember that night in the garden you came down my dressing room and said, "Kid, this ain't your night. We're going for a price on Wilson." You remember that? This ain't your night. My night, I could have taken Wilson apart. So what happens? He gets a title shot outdoors in a ballpark, and what do I get? A one-way ticket to Palookaville. You was my brother, Charlie. You should have looked out for me a little bit. You should have taken care of me just a little bit so I wouldn't have to take them dives with the short end money.
Well, I had some bets down for you. You saw some money.
You don't understand. I could have had class. I could have been a contender. I could have been somebody. Instead of a bum. It's what I am. Let's face it. In the future.